All right. Well, hello everybody. Welcome. My name is Scott Sazen, account manager here with Moldex3D in Northern America, and going to be a host today on today's webinar. We're going to be taking a look at our new user interface called Studio and some of the features and functionality within that. All right. So when it comes to running a simulation in Moldex3D, we got a series of steps or workflow, if you have it, kind of a process, starting with the bringing in of a model, doing the meshing, selecting a material. You can set up different process parameters, select what kind of analysis you want to run, and then review the results and generate reports. So up till now, the Moldex3D software has been split pretty much into two packages, two applications. One of them called Designer, which handles the modeling and meshing aspect, and then that meshed model would be brought into Project. We would continue with the pre-processing, where you select your material, process and type of analysis, and launch the analysis, and then you would do the post-processing, reviewing the results and generating reports within Project. So going forward, and what we currently have is what's called Moldex3D Studio, and in essence, what Studio is doing is it's combining the two applications, Designer and Project, into one new, improved, easy-to-use interface. All right, so the Moldex3D Studio, what it is a comprehensive analysis platform. So again, you're able to do the pre and post processing all within the same application. And then it's also a very intuitive interface. It has a nice ribbon-style menu, tree structures. We'll get into what it looks like in a little bit, but it's a much cleaner looking platform, easy to use, and it allows for a more efficient process for setting up and completing simulations. So just a couple notes as to where we are. So this kind of covers some of the aspects of Moldex3D's R17 version of Studio, which will be released this coming within this year here, by Q2 maybe of 2019 here. We're currently at R16. So Studio, if you're a current user of Moldex3D and you're using Designer and Project, you should have access to Studio as well under R16. However, it does have doesn't have the full functionality, if you will, and so a lot of that functionality is going to be added in R17. So come R17, Project will we're going to kind of phase out the maintenance and support of R17, and it's going to end up being replaced by Studio, and really our focus is going to be on supporting and continue further developing the Studio application.